Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So you can clearly see here that today market opens small gap down and when it closes below that 41,500 level or 400 level, then after that it shows continuously negative movement here, and as of now it looks kind of sideways to me because from the last 3 days it continuously took resistance from that 14,650 level and continuously took support from that 14,200 or 150 level. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market trades below 14,200 and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and target will be very small, which is 41,000. For taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 14,500 round level, then after that we can expect any kind of buying trade. Now let's look into 15-minute candle. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that market opens gap down and it tried to close above that higher side, but it could not sustain there. And when it shows any kind of negative movement in that higher price, it continuously goes down. And also I have uploaded a video regarding that if it trades below 41,500, 440 or 400, and after that shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling. And when it breaks that level, it continuously shows negative movement until 14,210. So if tomorrow market opens flat or if it trades below 14,200, as I said in one day candle set, you can take trade for selling, and small target will be 14,100, next target will be round level 14,000. But if it opens a gap up above 14,450 or 500, because today it continuously sustains at that zone, and when it breaks that 14,500 or 450 level, it shows continuous negative movement. So my suggestion would be, for taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to strongly closes above that 14,500 level, then you can take trade for buying. And if it opens a gap down around 41,000 level or 14,100 level, and after that it shows any kind of positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, because today it shows some kind of negative movement here. Previously it also took support from that level, and also previously it took support from that 41,100 level. So if it opens a gap down and shows positive movement, then you can take trade for buying. That's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in one day candle chart. So Nifty, you can clearly see that it shows more negative movement than Bank Nifty because it opens a gap up, and after that it continuously shows negative movement, and it now trades below 70,600 level. So if tomorrow market once again trades below that 70,580 or 570 level and shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and target will be around 70,460 to 70,400 level. And for taking any kind of buying trade, it needs to close above 70,650. Then after that you can take trade for buying. So you can clearly see here that it opens gap up and shows continuous negative movement here on that higher side. So my suggestion would be, if tomorrow market opens flat and shows any kind of negative movement or trades below 7,560 or 550, and after that it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can take trade for selling, and target will be around 440 to round level 400. But if it opens a gap up and trades above 7,670 or 80, because today it continuously took support from that level and closes below, so if it closes above that, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 7,760 to 70,800. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. And if you wanted to take trade in Bank Nifty options, then you need to look into Bank Nifty components, which are HDFC Bank, ICICI, SBI, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank and IndusInd Bank. If you are looking those stocks during market hours, then it will going to help you to make profits or take trade in Bank Nifty options. And that's all about today, guys. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.